everyone, welcome to my channel, and the name of my channel is Nars Vlogs. After watching this video, kindly subscribe, like, and comment below. For today's video, I'll be teaching you how to solve order of operations, but we will be focusing only on 4 operations. We have multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. In solving order of operations, we have to remember this rule. In solving, we have to do multiplication or division, whoever comes first from left to right. And once you solve already multiplication and division, you do addition or subtraction, whoever comes first from left to right again. So the rule is not saying that you should do multiplication first, then division, and you will always do addition first, then subtraction. It's not like that. Whoever comes first with multiplication or division, you do it right away from left to right. And after you do that, you do addition or subtraction, whatever comes first, also from left to right. So I'll be giving you some examples. First, what if we are solving 6 times 5 plus 18 divided by 3 minus 20. So as what I've said, we do first multiplication or division, whatever comes first from left to right. So since multiplication comes first, with division we do this one first. So 6 times 5 is 30. And then do division, 18 divided by 3 is 6. And we can just copy again the plus sign, and then minus 20. So from here, we already have now 30 plus 6 minus 20. And after we do the multiplication or division, you do addition or subtraction, whatever comes first from left to right. So since addition comes first, you do it right away. So 30 plus 6 is 36. Just copy minus 20. And 36 minus 20 is 16. So therefore, 6 times 5 plus 18 divided by 3 minus 20 is equal to 16. Another example is what if we are solving 36 divided by 3 minus 4 times 2 plus 9 equals blank. So as what I've said earlier, we do first multiplication or division, whatever comes first from left to right. So in this case, since division comes first, you do this one. 36 divided by 3 is 12. After that one, you do multiplication. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Then copy minus plus 9. After this one, we do addition or subtraction, whatever comes first again from left to right. So since subtraction rather comes first, you do it right away. It's not addition. So 12 minus 8 is 4 plus 9, because you copy this one, so it will give you 13. So that means 36 divided by 3 minus 4 times 2 plus 9 is equal to 13. Next example is what if we're solving 17 plus 7 times 3 minus 16 divided by 8. So again, we'll look for multiplication or division, whoever comes first or whatever comes first from left to right. So from left to right. So since multiplication comes first, then you do it right away. 7 times 3 is 21. 16 divided by 8. Next to multiplication is division. So 16 divided by 8 is 2. And we can copy this one. 17 plus 21 minus 2. So next is addition or subtraction, whatever comes first from left to right. So we do first 17 plus 21, and it will give you 38. Then just simply copy this one. 38 minus 2 is equal to 36. That means 17 plus 7 times 3 minus 16 divided by 8 is equal to 36. Our final example, what if we are solving 24 minus 9 times 4 divided by 2 plus 11 equals blank. So again, in here we do first multiplication or division, whoever comes first from left to right. So since multiplication comes first, so we do 9 times 4, and that is 36. But there's already division here, so we can do that right away. 36, you just copy. 36 divided by 2 is 18. And we copy 24 minus, for this one we get 18 plus 11. So after we do multiplication or division, we do addition or subtraction. Whoever comes first from left to right, you do it right away. So since 24 minus 18 comes first, so we do it right away. 24 minus 18 is equal to 6. So you copy this one, plus 11. That means it will give you 17. So in 24 minus 9 times 4 divided by 2 plus 11 is equal to 17. Solving order of operations, focusing on the 4 operations, you just have to remember 2 things. Multiplication and division should come together. Whatever comes first, if multiplication comes first then division, do it right away. If division comes first with multiplication, you do it also right away. And after you do multiplication or division, that is the time that you will do addition or subtraction together. And whatever comes first, you do it. So if addition comes first with subtraction, you do addition first. And if subtraction comes first with addition, then you do subtraction first. And I hope that you learned something from this video tutorial, and see you again next time. Thank you for watching, guys.